From the moment we met, you have been my everything. My heart, my joy, and my greatest adventure. So all the life, moment, big and small, I know to love you unconditionally.
Just hit me with
Hi! Oh! Walang letter. May, ano to? Hindi ko maintindihan. Sana pinay ko. Ito, more than just a piece of jewelry. It symbolizes the way you had with every glance at this necklace. I hope you remember how deeply loved and cherished you are.
Papasalamat po tayo sa Diyos sapagkat ito ang araw ng pag-iisang dibdib ninyo, Paolo at Kimberly. At katulad ng pananlamisa, ang kasal ay dapat pinangungunahan ng pasasalamat.
hit me where the heart is. Let me know what the best part is. I should grow.
Gift? Kay Kim? Yan. Galing kay Kim. Buksan? Buksan natin. Parang ayaw pabigay ito ah. Saan? Ay, ito! O pala. Sorry. Just for you. Sayin natin ha. See you later, Daddy. Rar. Ming, thank you ah. Mamaya. Rar.
When I was around, darling, let me know. Show me how to love you. Tell me how to hold you. I'll be who you want to. Baby, let me know. Show me how to believe.
Ay, Daddy, para sa akin, oras ang isa sa pinaka-importanting bagay na maibibigay mo sa taong mahal mo. Pero dumating ka, at sa'yo na unti-unting umikot ang mundo ko.
Kimberly, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Paolo Shin na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay.
Opo, Padre.
Paolo Shin, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Kimberly? Opo, Padre. Paolo, you make this one.
Baka makita si Junjun dyan ah.
Hoy! Ang liit! Ay! Kanyari! Ay!
Pero, ito sa inyo. Meron ba? Asan? Ay! Pangalan pala, sorry.
You've been enchanting this heart of mine for the longest time. Slow dancer, you stun me up with all your romancing, and it's making me weak like no one else, like there's no one else in the world. I'm under your spell, baby. This is our time. The dance floor is jumping, move me tonight. Boy, you got something.
darating po, kahit matagal maghihintay ako. Aba, dumating ka nga bago matapos ang 2022. Ilang beses ko sinabi sa'yo na mahal kita kahit ano ka pa. Daddy, I love you not only for who you are, but for who I am when I am with you.